Stop waiting for me to send you the link. If you want to see exactly how I create a full-time income online working as little as 1 hour a day, you don't have to comment info or interested or send me the link or help please. I leave the link on pretty much all the videos right here, and you can see exactly my entire blueprint right here on my YouTube channel simply by going to that URL. If you could either click the link, or if you have to, you could just type it in, and that'll bring you to my playlist that shows you exactly how to create a full-time income online. The only thing that is holding you back from creating the results that you want, having the income that you want online, is your ability to be a go-getter. I cannot want your success more than you want your success. So if I have to spoon feed you the link, if I have to convince you one-on-one, you're going to be that person that quits within a week, and you're going to claim that it doesn't work, and you're constantly going to be depending on me to spoon feed you every single step of the way. So if you want the results that to have the lifestyle that you want, learn to be a go-getter and go after what it is that you truly want. Do not wait for my approval. Do not wait for me to tell you what to do. Everything that you need is right here. I show you exactly what to do step by step, day by day. I give you everything that you need. And last thing that I will mention is that I have the phone number on all the videos right here. So if you have any questions before getting started, you could shoot me a quick text. I'll answer you as soon as possible. Otherwise, go right here right now, and I'll meet you over there.